Precision, the heartbeat of a nation.
Deep in the industrial heartland, a leviathan awakes.
Here, failure is not an option. Millimeters matter.
Forged from advanced alloys and defined by aerodynamics.
Every curve is calculated. Every bolt is scrutinized.
Welcome to the Mega Factory. It begins with raw power. High-grade aluminum alloy arrives at the facility.
Heated to 700 degrees, the metal is prepared for the Japanese bullet train's double-skin hull.
Massive presses extrude the metal into complex honeycomb shapes. This hollow truss structure provides immense strength without the weight. These 25-meter panels will form the skin of the Japanese bullet train. Precision lasers ensure the raw material is flawless.
Computer-controlled cutters carve out the passenger windows.
Human eyes verify what the machines have created.
The skeleton of the train begins to accumulate.
Protection against corrosion is applied immediately. While aluminum forms the body, heavy steel arrives for the chassis.
The ingredients are gathered. The assembly begins.
Friction stir welding, a process that bonds the Japanese bullet train hull without melting the metal.
This creates a seam smoother than the metal itself.
The walls rise. The tube shape of the Japanese bullet train takes form. Inside the shell, the scale of the carriage becomes clear.
Master craftsmen handle the intricate connections. The defining feature, the aerodynamic nose cone.
Hand beaten to perfection, a tradition of Japanese craftsmanship.
The floor is sealed to reduce noise and vibration.
The tube is closed. The structural integrity is now complete. Every seam is polished until it vanishes. The raw body, known as the white body, is ready for its heavy machinery.
Tolerances are measured in fractions of a millimeter.
The wheels. They must withstand speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour.
40 tons of pressure bond the axle to the wheel.
The bogie, the complex suspension system that carries the train. Powerful electric motors are mounted directly to the axles.
Air suspension ensures the passengers feel like they are floating.
The completed undercarriage is a marvel of heavy engineering.
The marriage. The body meets the bogies.
Precision alignment is critical. Securing the link between power and payload.
Carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power.
Sensors allow the train to lean into curves without slowing down. For the first time, the Japanese bullet train stands on its own legs. Insulation. To keep the interior silent and temperature controlled. The nervous system. Kilometers of wiring connect every sensor. Multi-layered reinforced glass withstands air pressure changes. Soft, indirect lighting is installed for passenger comfort. Soft, indirect lighting is installed for passenger comfort. Ergonomic seats, designed for the long journey ahead. The cockpit, the command center for the pilot. Digital displays will soon read over 300 kilometers per hour. Touchless doors for seamless movement. Modular utility units are slid into place. Luxury finishes for the green car passengers. The pantograph, the link to the overhead power lines. The interior is complete, a blend of technology and comfort.
The train enters the sealed painting chamber.
Robots apply the Shinkansen white with micron-level consistency.
A special coating resists weather and reduces drag.
The signature blue stripe is masked off by hand. The colors of speed and reliability.
A perfect line, stretching the length of the train.
The badge of the newest generation.
Baking the paint ensures it survives the elements. Polishing reduces air friction to the absolute minimum.
Not a single dust particle is tolerated. The underbelly is armored against debris and moisture. A gleaming white arrow, ready for the final tests. The monsoon test, simulating the worst weather in Japan. High-pressure jets hunt for the smallest leak. Inside, it remains perfectly dry and silent.
The pantograph is cycled hundreds of times.
Millions of lines of code are verified.
Brake systems are pushed to their limit.
Safety sensors must react instantly to any obstruction.
Weight distribution is balanced to the kilogram.
Laser arrays verify the train's profile one last time.
Main power is live. The beast is breathing.
Certified for service.
The tests are done. The track awaits.
Under the cover of darkness, the logistical mission begins.
Too large for roads, it requires a specialized convoy.
A surreal sight for the sleeping city. Arriving at the depot before dawn.
Metal meets the high-speed rail.
"16 cars united into one continuous stream.
A new day. A new legend is ready to launch.
Permission to depart.
Connecting cities. Shrinking time.
The pinnacle of Japanese engineering.
The Shinkansen. The bullet train.